Hi everyone. This is Erin Anning for the last video of our series about setting up a faculty Google site. So congratulations if you've been watching every one of them. You've made it to the end. And the very last video is about the very important, very wonderful blue button right up here, which is the publish button. Okay. So up until this point, if you have not touched the publish button, in theory, everything has been left undone. Now, if at some point you published it or administration published it, it is out there. But if that hasn't happened, then everything you've done so far is behind the scenes. It has been given out to the world. Okay. But when we hit the publish button, things are going to happen. Okay. So please notice there are several settings. You could look at your publish settings, just how things are set up. A new feature that I really like is the review changes and publish feature. So you can see what you're about to change. You can view the published site as if you were someone, who had no connection to it. And then, of course, the very important unpublished. So for any reason this had to be taken down fast, unpublish. Okay? But I'm going to show you what happens here. So if I hit publish, and remember I said there was a new feature I liked, which was a review feature. And right here it says review changes and publish. There are no unpublished changes to review. Return to editor. Okay, at this point, everything that I've done is published. I've made no additions, no subtractions, nothing since the last time I published it to the web. Okay, so there's been no more working behind the scenes. But watch what happens if I do something really, really basic. Okay, so I'm on my main page, give some information, and I decide that I want to come down here and add something new. Okay. Just to give an idea, can't type tonight, and I decide to go to publish. Okay. Now, what's really nice about this is it tells me all the places that I have made additions since the last, updates is the better word, updates since the last time that I published. So in this case, the only place that I made it was on the home page. Okay. I'm going to see the draft and what's currently published. So I can scroll down. It's kind of in cell phone view, but gives you a good idea. And I notice that, this is what it is. And down here, I realize that I've done this thing where I've added Mrs. Anding and some placeholders. If I like that, I hit publish and it is being seen by, the internet world at that point. If I don't, I go back and I can delete. Okay. And now I'm pretty much back to where I was before. Let's see if that does anything. All of a sudden I'm back to there are no unpublished changes to review. Okay. So you do get this one last check before you put it out there. Now, please remember to hit that publish button when you are ready for it to be seen. Because if you don't hit that publish button, you are still working behind the scenes. So everything that you see is great, but you and the other co-editors are the only ones who can see it. Please remember to hit that publish button when you're ready to go. And congratulations, you have a faculty Google site. Thank you so much for, following along. I can't wait to see your Google sites. If you have any questions, refer back to the manual, look at the YouTube playlist, contact me, contact a friend, and good luck. Thank you so much.